If you're a contractor and your online presence is basically your Facebook page, this matters. Facebook can help your business, but a Facebook page is not a website. A lot of contractors say, I don't need a website, I have Facebook. And sure, maybe you've posted photos, gotten comments, and landed a few jobs from referrals there. But the way customers find and judge businesses has changed. When a homeowner needs a plumber, roofer, or electrician, they usually do not open Facebook first. They open Google, or sometimes an AI assistant, and search for help near them. What shows up? A map, local business listings, phone numbers, reviews, hours, and websites. What usually does not show up the same way? A Facebook page. So if you do not have a real website with your own domain, there are customers looking for your service right now who may never see you. That is the first problem. The second problem is control. You do not own Facebook. Facebook controls the layout, the reach, and who sees your posts. If the algorithm changes, your visibility can drop overnight. If they suspend your page, you are stuck. A website is different. You own the domain. You control the design, the message, and the experience. No one can place a competitor's ad on it or limit who can reach it. Your website is a real business asset. A Facebook page is borrowed space. Now, let's say someone does find you on Facebook or hears about you from a friend. What do they do next? They Google you. And what they want to find is a real website. When people see a Facebook page but no website, it can create doubt. Even if your work is excellent, some customers will wonder whether you are established, professional, and trustworthy. That is especially true for higher-ticket jobs. So this is not about choosing Facebook or a website. You should have both. Facebook is great for posting updates, sharing job photos, and staying visible with past customers. Your website is where people decide to call. It shows your services, service area, reviews, photos, and next step. It helps you convert traffic from Google, Facebook, and referrals into actual leads. At ReadyWeb AI, we build contractor websites that do exactly that. You send your business name, trade, and city. We build the site, host it, secure it, and support it. The whole thing is $297 for the year. And before you pay anything, you can get a free personalized preview at ReadyWebAI.com. It's simple, affordable, and built for contractors who need a professional online presence without hassle.